What for the Executive Committee of Srinagar 5 Housing Society allows stray dogs inside the housing society and create dirt. This is dead against clean India. Stop dirty India.